Hi there, students. To titivate. Titivation, the noun. And you could even have a person, a titivator. Let's see. To titivate, to spruce up, to improve small details, particularly of a person's appearance. So you could arrange their hair, or you could put makeup on them, or you could just put their tie completely straight. So it's working on the small final details. Yeah, most commonly it's used to talk about making a person look nice, to smarten them up. But you can use it about other things as well. It's like to put the finishing touches on something or someone. You smarten them up, you spruce them up. Yeah, I certainly need a lot of titivating. Well, that's what people say anyway. Okay, so to make somebody else or make yourself smart by doing your hair, brushing your hair, putting everything in place. Maybe to make decorative little additions to something. So as my relatives were coming for lunch on Sunday, I titivated the garden. The interior of this restaurant really needs titivating. It needs to be smartened up. Yeah, it needs to be embellished. It needs a few finishing touches. Some flowers would help to titivate the appearance. So to titivate, to make small improvements or alterations to someone's appearance, to add finishing touches too. Yeah, I suppose at the end of the day, nothing is perfect and always needs titivation. I guess you could probably titivate your essay, go through it again and add a few interesting adverbs, or change the duller or more boring words. Okay, notice this is quite a formal and posh word. Let's see, if you use titivate in an informal conversation, you're going to sound very posh. I would probably use the phrasal verb to do up or to smarten up. Let me titivate you. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5, maybe even a 7 in formality. Yeah, I think use this semi-formally or formally. The city centre has become very drab, D-R-A-B, and it really needs titivating. Yeah, maybe his appearance needs titivating. We really should titivate this room. Okay, so to titivate, to improve, to make look better. Then, as to origin, they suggest that maybe it's based on the word tidy, because there was an earlier spelling of titivate which was Tidivate, easy to swap a T for a B, and then Tidivate. This comes probably from tidy and vate, like cultivate, renovate, innovate. So to titivate, making it into a verb. Yeah, to tidy up, to make it look good. Yes, I really enjoy titivating old objects to make them look new once again. Okay, so to titivate, to do up, to smarten, to make look better, to put the finishing touches on. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. You could make a comment to titivate it, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Titivate.